What do I value? What do I look in someone who I admire and value? And what would I like to see more of in myself? And I came up with kind of 3 qualities. And these 3 qualities I can take into any situation, and I know that no matter the outcome, no matter win, lose, draw, stutter on stage, trip up the stairs, any stressful situation, I know that no matter what, if I hold true to those values, then I can value myself. The first one is bravery or courage, because it takes a lot of courage and effort and determination to put yourself in a position where failure is possible, because that is the only point where success is possible as well. If you're not prepared to fail, you're not prepared to succeed either.